this video, we're going to take a look at solving a quadratic by graphing. Basically, we have three different scenarios that can occur. All right, your quadratic could be graphed in such a way that it crosses the x-axis in two locations, in which case we would have two solutions, and we could be a little more specific and even say they are two real solutions. All right, or the quadratic could be graphed in such a way that it only crossed the x-axis in one location right there at the x-axis, in which you would have one solution, and again it would be one real solution. All right, and then the third possible way that a quadratic could be graphed would be in such a way that it does not cross that x-axis at all, in which case there would be no real solutions whatsoever. So if you are given the graph of a quadratic, then you can real quickly solve it just by looking at those x-intercepts. All right, so again, those x-intercepts are extremely important here. So let's just maybe highlight that. It's the x-intercepts are the solutions of the equation. All right, now taking a look at an example here. All right, we've got an upside down parabola here that's been graphed. The equation is there. All right, but all I have to do if I want to solve this quadratic is to look at those two x-intercepts. All right, and real quickly I can see that this has two solutions. They are x equals -1 and x equals 3. So real quickly I can find the solutions to this quadratic just by looking at the graph. As another example, we've got an upright quadratic here. It is crossing the x-axis at only one location, so that means I have only one solution, and that solution is x equals 1. In the last example here, we have a quadratic, again an upright quadratic that does not cross the x-axis at all. Okay, you can see that it does not cross the x-axis at all because the vertex, that minimum point, is right here, and then it goes upward. So it will not cross that x-axis at all. So this one has no real solutions. All right, now as you move forward in your study of algebra, and you move from Algebra 1 to Algebra 2, then you will learn how to find the solutions. It's not that this quadratic does not have any solutions. They do have solutions. It does have a solution. It is just an imaginary solution, and that's generally not covered in an Algebra 1 class. All right, but by the time you get to Algebra 2, then you will address this and learn how to solve this with imaginary solutions. So basically just three quick examples here of how you can go about finding the solutions to a quadratic by graphing the quadratic and looking at those x-intercepts. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications. Thanks.